Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you theme Naviswork. Today I will teach you more things. So let's make a new. I will go for the multidisciplinary and I will choose metric. Okay. So here there's a two main thing we have to study here. One is Navis export setting. It's very important, but that one I will teach you whilst I am exporting. And now what I am going to do here, I am going to draw some cable tray. Let's go to the power plan, healing electrical, floor plan, power. Here, L1. So I am going to draw some cable tray. Okay, so let's draw like this. Make fine. Okay, let's make this one bigger. 900. Keep it in that way. So let's draw cable tray. Okay, like this. And okay, like this. And do like this. Okay. Then I am going to draw some ducting. You can go for the L1 mechanical. So DT duct. Okay. Uh, let's make like this. Fine. And you can select like a multiple tab like this. Let's make bigger also. Let's make 2 meter. Okay. The big duct. So I have the cable tray here, and the same time I have the ducting here. So you go to the view, 3D model. So you have these two items. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to disable graphic. Just in the annotation, make switch off, and here I will switch off the duct. Let's switch off the ducting and duct. Also duct insulation. Okay. So I don't have anything, only the duct. So here I will do file, export, NWC. Okay, in the desktop, I'll make a folder. So let's go NWC, double click. I will put CT. So here in the Naviswork, NWC, let it be like that. In the Naviswork setting, go to the Naviswork setting. It's an important thing, you have to do it. So here in the Revit, the first thing you have to make this one convert element properties. So we need the element properties to the Naviswork. So let it be convert light also. Okay. So this convert link file you have to uncheck. If you want to convert with the link file, you have to click this one. I will explain you also. And there's another option in the NWC. Okay. No, this performance. Close NWC NW3 files on load. This one must be done. So okay. So CT save. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to off the cable tray, and switch on the duct fittings, duct installations, and the duct. Okay. So I'm going to export this one. Let's make this one more bigger to 1.5 meter. Okay. File, export, NWC. So I am going to do DT. So once you set up Best Navisworks settings, It's enough. Save. So now we will go to the Navisworks. Manage. Okay, wrong file. Okay, correct one. I think this is 360. I have to open this one. Not this. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's close this one. Cancel. Let's open this. So once you open the Naviswork Manage, okay, here we'll see this one like this. There's nothing here to yet. No problem. Go for the new append. It's append. Okay. So in the desktop, NWC, I will click here and you can make all file. So CT and DT. You can open same time. So I have this both are open. So here in the section tree, you will see the CT and DT. And this is level 1 and cable tray fittings, cable tray, and level 1 duct fittings and duct. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I am going to check is this clashing or not. So, but when you're seeing, you can see you can press any of this model click and control also shift. Press shift and center of the mouse button and click OK. You can see it's already classic. But let's say you have a huge file. You will not know where it is clashing because it's a very, very huge file. So you will not know. So that time we have to export the each service separately like this and check the classes. Here in the home button, you see here there's a class detector. You click this one. So you will see there are currently no class test defined. So you have to define a class test. So here you have to make a test. Okay. So you can click this one. So version to version different. And you will see in the corner also here a test. Okay. If it is like this, you will go to the corner, you can do a test. Also same thing will happen. So if you click add test, just CT here and here DT and you can run test. So if you go below, run test, run test. So it's showing there's two classes. Okay, class 1, class 2. So I am seeing only one class, but how come two class? Because it's telling the fitting class and the cable tray class. So this is the two classes. So how I will know? So when you click a clash, you will see this one. So here's there's some options. So my screen is smaller. If you have a big screen, you will know. So you can make dim other or height other. If you make a hide other, everything will be hide. Only class will be visible. You see only fitting is available, no cable tray. You can see this one. And focus on class, this one, yes, you can see this one. And also there is some additional settings. I will go to additional settings is below. Okay, that one I have to show you before test. Hmm. Okay, rules, select. Okay, here you can set the rules. Item in same layer, ignore. item in same layer, item in same group, block or cells, item in same file, item with coincident snap point. So if it is a group block, like inside, you can ignore the families. If you click this one, it will ignore the family because family multiple models, so it will show hundred of clashes. So you have to click this one. Item in same group block cell, yes, and also rules. So select. You here you see tolerance. This tolerance always is 0.001. You can make how much you want, and here we have hard clearance. Check this one settings. No need to learn everything one by one. You can understand while clicking in run test. Here you have lines, points. Click lines. This one line, when you run the test, you will know. Same here. Uh, Viewpoint is same. You see, this is the line, and this is the grid. Same thing here, but you have to run the test again. Okay, I will run it. Here I will put line, remove the surface. Okay, select again. I think we are not using this one. I think same result. No, it is class is already resolved. You see here. So there is no more class because it is searching the center line, not the model. Okay, I will show you resolved. See this one. So if you are searching for the select in the surface and remove the line, if you run the test, there's a clash one. Okay, if you go up, resolved one and clash is one. Okay, and again select because why class one class, because here I have select line. Here also I have to select the model. If I run the test again, you will see two clashes. Two clash again. So the line meaning it will take the center line. So we don't have to work with the line. Always we have to go with the. I can reduce the. I have very small space. Okay, I hope you understood. So let's go to the select and we will go with the model. Yeah, okay. And I have add test. So again, I will run test. So no need to learn everything within one day. So I have now two classes here. If you go to the result, you will see two classes. Now, how to solve this classes? There is a main point. So here you can make trim other or hide other. So once you select these fittings or this that you have to go view. Sorry, not view in home properties. Okay. I used to work 2024 here, something different. So here there's element properties. I hope you remember when I'm converting, I export some, I click the element properties. So you will have everything here. Even you give new parameter also can be found here. So here you have ID. So this duct, this number is the ID. For the fitting, sometime it won't come ID. Only the duct trace will get ID. So I have the ID, so right click copy value. Okay. So go to the Revit back. So I don't know which piece. It's a huge one. So I click ID. I have to assign the keyboard shortcut for ID. Manage. Not manage. View. I forget. 1 minute. Yes. I went to correct place and then I forget. Manage this ID. Okay. So what I do, KS, keyboard shortcut, ID. Yes. Element ID, ID of selections. So let's see the name first. Select by ID. So KS, select by ID. Let's type select by ID. Okay, let's assign a shortcut ID. Assign. So when you type KS, it will come. Okay, now let's go ID. Control V. You can press OK. It will select the uh, element. Or ID. You can control V show. It will show the element. Okay, now I know which one is clashing. Okay, so either I know this duct element is clashing. So in the model we can switch on everything. So VB cable tray fittings, cable tray. So while you are checking the clash, so I know this duct is clashing because from the ID I know. Okay, this is the clashing. So either I can move the duct or make offset, or I can move the cable tray. This is the one of solution. So I will make slice plan. Let's move the duct. And here also one. So let's delete this piece. Delete and delete. So let's click this one. So make it, I am going to make 3500 something. Okay. Now I am going to drag this one to here. Let's make this one little back and drag to here. So it will, sometime it will take automatically. Otherwise, right click, product, and save. Okay. Yep. Again, program, click, product. So better go to the duct and this one to this, and here move little and this one to here. So what will happen? It is already offset. Okay. So let's move more. I think 3800 is better. Okay. Now I am going to do same thing. PV, and let's off the duct fittings. I didn't change the cable tray, so let's give off the cable tray. Okay, I will export the duct. So you see when I am exporting, I didn't close this one. Just file, export, this, and I am choosing DT. See, asking yes. Normally it won't overwrite. That's why uh, because we have to do some settings. So file, save as, sorry, export, Navis settings. I did this one here in the model performance close NWC and WD file on load. So you have to click this one, but here I did already. But what's the problem? Yes, you have to do same thing in the Navis also. Go to here, and the options, the model, performance. You have to do this one here also. Close. Okay. Now let's export. File, export, NWC, and DT. Yes, still program. Why? I will save this one first. Okay, let's see. Combine, save. Let's close this one. Okay, close from here. And we will go to NWC and open this one. Okay, now we need to close this. Okay, now I am going to export because you will see it's not exported yet. You see the class. So, file, export. I hope the error will not come now. 3T, no error. So now you go to the Navis. Here, make refresh or you open the class detection. Make refresh. Okay, now the model has changed. See, then update all. So reserved to, meaning crashes to reserved to, meaning finished. Then you can make compact call, then zero classes. Okay, so it's done. So why we need to make settings instead of we don't have to do close every time to override. So we can keep open. Now it's still open. Now I will make small changes here. Let's draw that. Okay. Um, okay. Now I am still open. Okay, because I have made the certain settings. File, export, Navis. Okay, DT. Yes. Okay. No error. Now here I will come just refresh. You will see the extra setting and you can make update all because it's not classic. So let's draw a cable tray again. So let's make VB. Let's make on cable tray and cable tray settings. Okay, so let's draw the cable tray like clashing. Okay, let it clash. Okay, you understood. And let's switch out the ducting, duct fittings, and duct. Okay, file, export, Navis. This time I will select CT. Yeah. Now Revit. Oh, sorry, Navisworks again. Now refresh. It's already found. Then update all. You see, yes, two classes again. So go to the result. You see one, and you see two. So here, maybe I want to change the cable tray. So if I go to the cable tray and ID, you see the class ID value, copy value, and go to the Navisworks. Let's switch on all ducting, fitting, that. Okay. ID because I assigned the shortcut. Okay. Now here I have a problem. Let's make SL, slice, slice, delete, delete. This one I am going to make 4 meter and connect this one to here. Okay, connect this one to here. So let's move it. Okay, now I didn't finish this class. File, export, Navis, CT, check, update all. Okay, one result. So another one balance. So you can clear one by one, export and check everything until you finish the class rejection. So while you are exporting to the Navis, this one why I am switching off the ducting and cable tray, because I am used to I drew this both are in the same drawing. Okay, but if it is a different drawing, the first thing you have to do, you have to switch off this whole annotation. Okay, and the analytical model also off, import category off, be off. I don't have any import category, so no problem. Filter, no more filter. And model, you have to switch on all on. Okay, all everything should be checked all on, all on. Okay, then export. So if you are using link file, manage link, you have to switch off all the links here before exporting. So you have to export from the 3D while you are using the Navisworks. The same thing every service you have to export and append, take the class detection and clear the class detection. I hope you understand very well. If you not understand, you can make in comments. I can explain again. And if you are not subscribe my channel, you subscribe so we can learn together. So this is the way how to clear the class detection. And I hope you understand. So until next video, take care. Bye. Assalamualaikum. Okay, I forget to show you something because I brought this file to show you mainly. Let's close this one. Okay, you can close here. Now let's make it control. No. So I brought some file. So let's go. This is the file. So this is the electrical firefighting, HVAC, plumbing, and drainage. So let's open the electrical. So this one only electrical file. It's a cable tray we used to work on one project. So here finding a class detection very difficult. Many things. So I am now finding the HV. So this is together. So let's make one test. So you will understand very important now is work. Okay, test. I hope no classes here because we already done. So here HV. Okay. So let's run the test. Okay, see how many classes we have. Around 17 classes, 22 classes. Sometimes you will get 500, 600 classes. To each classes, you can see this one. See? So one by one, we have to solve everything. We have ID. So this is the why I brought this one. So if you off the class, Control F2, you can also do it. So you will see there's many items. So if I append all the services like FP, PL, NSL, see how much services here. So to solve the classes of this kind of project, Navisworks is very important. I hope you understand. Take care. Bye. We will meet you in the next video. So.